from here all the way up to here, you can make not less than 100 USD per day just on one position with this strategy. I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can set it up. This is one of the best latest boom and crash strategies that you can actually use and maximize your profits. Trust me, it's worth it. And for those people that have not yet joined our Telegram channel, I don't know what you're waiting for, because in our Telegram channel we post free signals. We don't charge for signals. Why charging for signals? Yet we make money in the financial market. We just give them for free of charge. I mean the same pro signals that people call pro signals, the same signals that I personally trade, I post them in that channel and everybody has access to them. And the biggest problem that I found is not necessarily that people don't know how to trade, but the problem that is there is that people don't have capital to trade in the financial market. So I come about with these interesting videos on how you can actually maximize your profits in terms of starting with a low amount of money. It can be a 5 USD, 10 USD, and multiply that into something that is substantial that you can trade our long trades together with us. But the thing that you will need to do is to go in our channel and be part of what's going on. So basically that's the thing. So in today's strategy, I'm just going to walk you through this entire setup. I had to set up all these things that you're seeing and how you can execute, what criteria should be met in order for you to execute a trade and enter a trade and be profitable. So that's the thing. So these are the things that we are going to be using in terms of the indicators. We have the moving average, we have the relative strength index, and the true average range. So these are basically the three indicators we are going to be using. So I'm going to delete them and walk you through step by step on how you actually go about it. So this is a chart. So basically this strategy is based on you catching long trades, guys. Just imagine catching this from here up to there. Guys, anyway, we'll come there. You come on the main window, you click there, and on the main window, when you click there, you come on moving average. So the moving average should have the following properties. It should have a period of 15, a shift of 0, and the method should be exponential and apply to close, and the levels, no problem regarding that. The style, the most important thing, it should be blue. I advise that you change your background if it's black to white, so that you can not be confused with the colors that I'm using, so that we can be using the same colors all together. And I advise that you use the colors that I'm using so that you cannot confuse yourself. So that's the thing. And we click done, and you have something like this. So this one is only basically showing us the trend of the market. Is the market in an uptrend? Is the market in a downtrend? So if we see the line, the blue line below the market, simply means the market is in an uptrend. If we see the blue line above the market, it simply means the market is actually beneath, is in a downtrend. If we see the blue line above the market is in a downtrend. So that's the thing. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel by now, I don't know what you're waiting for. It will take nothing from you. Subscribe to the channel, hit that icon bell so that you can be notified each and every time I drop an interesting video just like this one. So that's the thing. And also ensure that you check out the description box. There is so many links that can help your trading career and that can maximize your potential in terms of profiting in the financial market. So that's the thing. Check it out, the beautiful stuff there. So you come here on the main window, and we're going to add another indicator, which is a relative strength index, and it will have the following properties. It will have a period of 6, and it will be applied to close, and the levels, we're going to have two levels. We're going to have the buy level and the sell level. So the buy level is on 20. You can just indicate that in the description this side and put a level of 20. The sell level will be 80, and you click there. And when it comes to that style, you're going to use PayPal as your style. That's the one that you're going to use, and you're going to click done, and you have something like this showing down here. So this is your buy zone and this is your sell zone, or levels. So basically that's the thing. Again, you're going to come there and we're going to add the third indicator under indicator window 1. We click there, and this is the indicator, the average true range, and it will have the following properties exactly the way they are. It will have a period of 14 and the star will be green. Yes, it will have a period of 14 and the star will be green, guys. And you click done there. So now I'm going to explain to you how you can now profit from this whole thing that we have set up. Just like in the beginning of the video, looked exactly the same way. So the thing that you have now to pay particular attention is, one, the trend of the market, and secondly, are we in a buy zone or are we in a sell zone, and thirdly, we are entering using a 15 minutes time frame, and fourthly, we are entering a long trade. It's not a scalping of some sort, in as much as we can call it a scalping, but just imagine entering from there and we run with it up to there. Is a long trade. It's a lot of hours here. You'll be in the market maybe probably for 5 hours or 4 to 5 hours, somewhere there, because one candlestick is equals to 15 minutes. So basically that's the thing. So the thing that you have to check out is, you come on this indicator below here. You should ensure that it's in, if it's a sale, for example, in this case of a sale, it should be above the green line, and the purple line should at least touch the sale zone, or should be above the sale zone. And if you notice a closing somewhere here, you should also, the moment you see this closing will be happening together with the closing of this market with the blue line. And the moment you see the blue line closing the market and it's now above the market, you enter exactly from here, and from this sense you'll be seeing it from there, and you are going to ride with the market until you see another closing happening. I hope I'm clear regarding that. Until you see another closing happening, and when this closing is happening, you should ensure and see that, okay, here it's in a buy zone. So don't be scared just from there you're out, there you're out. No, take your time unless you see a confirmed close to say that, okay, this has happened, and you see the blue line is below the market, and here it is indicating all that. So when it comes to a sale setup, that's how you do it. Let's check out for maybe probably a buy setup. Yes, maybe probably a buy setup. For example, here it was a buy setup. If you can see the market here, the purple line closed there, but the green line didn't do that. Again, the purple line crossed there, and there was a closing just exactly there on the buy signal. The moment you see that, and we saw that the market, as you have seen there, we saw that the market actually closed the main chart, and we had to jump from there. We entered from here, and you go with the market until you see a closing that is happening there. So don't be intimidated by such when they are happening in the market. Ensure that you see that it's clear that we are now having a blue line above the market. That's when you come out, which simply means you enter from there and you are out there. Like I always advise people, please use a demo account for a start, so that you can be acquainted with the strategy, and if you feel much comfortable using your real account, then you jump in and use your real account. Check out the description box. There are so many interesting things that can help you. If at all you are a trader and you'd want to really maximize and become a better trader, please check the links in the description. They'll help you become a better and profitable trader. Love you so much. I hope this video is helpful. If you have any question, comment in the comment section below and tell me where the problem is, and I'll be glad to respond to you. Love you so much. The Master Trader himself here. See you in the next video.